Those people who absolutely hate Huawei will be unhappy to hear a new news. The Chinese player has achieved another success after the release of the hit Mate 60 Pro, which sold like hotcakes in his home country, which claims that it sold around 1.6 million units in around 6 weeks. After years of US sanctions and problems, now Huawei's Kirin is still amongst the top 5 global chip makers. According to the Q3 2023 report, chipmaker Hisense now commands a fifth position with 3% of the market share globally. Of course, the 2023 Mate 60 series packs a 5G enabled Kirin 9000S chip and it sold like crazy. More devices like the Mate X5 foldable phones and Mate Pad Pro 13.2 has also received positive feedback from Chinese users, laying the groundwork for 2024 and mid-range Nova 12 series, which will also pack Kirin chipset. Qualcomm, the chipset which you are expecting to be a numero uno, they retain 40% of the market share in the upper segment. Apple follows it with 31% of the market share, but you should remember Apple only makes chipset for themselves. The bronze is reserved for MediaTek with 15% of chipset, and Samsung is fourth with 7% chipset. After that comes Unisoc, which is at 6% with 2% market share, and Google Tensor has 1% of market share while ranking 7th on the list. It's sad to see Google not making up higher. Google has to be more aggressive now, launching cheaper A series phone and also flagship phones at a reasonable price with much better Tensor chipset.